Good morning, kindergarten friends. I'm back and I'm so happy because this week in phonics, we're not going to learn a new letter or sound. I know. Do you know why? Because we've learned them all. We've learned all of the letters and the sounds they make. Now, there's still other things out there though that we have to learn. And one thing you're going to ask me, why do you have all these sticky notes with words on them? Well, because one way that we can be a better reader and writer is to take the big syllables in each word and put them together to make a new word, okay? So you can take two words and smash them together and get a new word. Did you know that? All right, do you know what we call this skill? It's amazing. Well, it's not really a skill, but it is part of reading is a compound word. Can you say that with me? Compound word. A compound word is two words put together to make one word. Not one sound, but one whole new word. So we're going to do that with our Post-it notes today. We're going to take two words and we're going to smush them together and we're going to make one new word, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the greenish yellow Post-it notes. And then we're going to look at the pink and see if we can find a word that will match the green to make a new word, okay? So let's look at this first one. What is this word? That's right, we can even sound it out. B-at, bat. Did you notice that this has a capital B, which is so weird because normally we would just use lowercase like all of these. But guess what? We're going to combine this word, bat, it's actually somebody's name, with one of the words here. So which word could we put with bat to make someone's name? Could we do bat pack? No, that's not quite right. How about bat tub? Is that a word? No. Batman? Oh my gosh, you figured it out. You're right. So I'm going to take bat and I'm going to put him here, and man, and I'm going to put him here, and look what we made. Who did we make? That's right, Batman. Look at that. Two words put together to make one new word, and we made Batman. Who likes Batman? I know, he's one of my favorites for sure. Okay, so let's look at the word lunch. Is it a lunch pack, a lunch tub, or a lunch box? You got it, lunch box. Lunch box. Now we have a whole new word, lunchbox. Because we can use the word lunch in a separate sentence. I am ready to eat lunch. Okay? Or we can say, I need to get my lunch box. It's a whole new word, right? This is different than if we have lunch or box separately, okay? Okay, what about the word bath? Would we combine the word bath with bath pack or bath tub? That's right. Now I can use these words separately. It's time to take a bath or get in the tub. I can use two different words, or I can say we take a bath in the bath tub, the bathtub, right? Because that's how we would say that. We take a bath in the bathtub. Okay? And the last two words we have, we've got b-ack, back, and look, it's a word family, p-ack, pack. Yes, you guys knew that one, backpack. That's what we bring our school things in the morning. So again, we can separate the words. I'm glad to be back. I need to pack my lunch. Or we can put them together and say backpack. Did you bring your backpack to school today? That's right. You guys are awesome. Okay, so these are called what kind of words? Do we remember? That's right, compound words. I'm going to write that for you just so you can see it. Compound. Well, I'm going to run out of room because that's a big word. Let's put Batman over here. Compound words, okay? So, anytime you have two separate words that you can put together to make a new word, it's called a compound word, okay? That way, when you're reading, you can look at this and go, I'm not sure about this word here, but I can use the first three sounds, b, at, and the last three, and Batman. You can sound it out that way. I can look at this word and go, well, I know this says lunch and this says box, so it must be lunchbox. I can look at this and say bath. Oh, bathtub. Bathtub. That's the word, bathtub. Okay, this is another reading strategy that you need to be able to use, okay? All right, friends, I need you to go get your whiteboard and your marker, push pause, get your materials, and I'm going to clear this space for us so we can write a sentence. Also, we have 3 new sight words we need to practice, okay? So push pause, get your stuff, and come right back so we can write sight words and a sentence. All right, sorry, trying to move our compound words. There we go, they're down here now. Okay, so we're ready. All right, our sight words this week, we have 3 new ones. How, she, and there. Okay, there's a new there. I just said there's, meaning there is a new there. Okay, I'm going to show you. All right, so the first word we have is how. Okay, write this with me, please. H-O-W, how. So if someone says, how are you today? This is the word they're using. So let's spell it. Ready? H-O-W, how. One more time. H-O-W, how. How will you get home today? How are you doing? How many pencils do you have? Most of the time, this is a question word. Sometimes you might say, show me how. Show me how to do the thing that you're asking me to do. Okay? How. Okay, then we have the word she. Are you ready? S-H-E. Write it with me. S-H-E, she. And let's spell this together. Ready? S-H-E, she. This is talking about a girl. Okay? She has a pink coat. She has a yellow hat. She is at school today. This is talking about a girl. Okay? So let's spell it and say it one more time. S-H-E, she. All right. Now we have the word there. It's a different word than the other there. This is not the location. This is, I'm going to write it. T-H-E-I-R. Okay? So it's a little different than the other one. Here's the other word there. Okay? So I'll write them both. I want to make sure that you understand really clearly. These are not the same word. They sound the same, but they are not used in the same way. So this is a word we're familiar with. We've learned this sight word there. Spell it with me. T-H-E-R-E, there. Okay, this is a location. All right? The marker is over there. The park is over there. Okay? She put her hat over there. This is a This is a location, okay? This word means it belongs to someone, okay? So this means a group of people have something, okay? So I might say their coats are in the coat room. That means all of my students. So there might be 23 coats in the coat room, but they belong to this group of students. Their coats are in the coat room. Their hats are on the hooks. Okay, this means it belongs to people. So let's spell this together. Ready? T-H-E-I-R, there. Do it one more time. Ready? T-H-E-I-R, there. This is talking about more than one person, okay? So if I was just talking about my class, I would say their coats are in the coat room. Their iPads are in their desks. This is discussing people and their objects, okay? Okay. This talks about a place. Got it? All right. I know that's tricky, but you can do it. All right, let's write one sentence together, friends. So I'm going to erase, you're going to erase. All right, and we're going to use the compound word lunchbox today, okay? All right. This one, okay? Sorry. Ugh. Trying to get it stuck back up there for you. Okay, we're going to use this word in a sentence. So the sentence we're going to write is, did you bring a lunchbox? Okay, and that is what kind of sentence? That's right, it's a question. And how many words does it have? That's right, 5. So we're going to start here with a capital letter, right? Did. That's easy now. We've got so many good words. Id. Did you, make sure you leave your space, Y-O-U, sight word you, bring, okay, that's a little tricky, but we're going to use the sounds, b-er, and then I-N-G makes the ing sound. We haven't learned that yet, but we will. I-N-G. Did you bring your, sight word your, Y-O-U-R, that means it belongs to you. Did you bring your lunchbox? So we're going to write that. Diagraph C-H, lunch, and then the word box right next to it. Now we're not going to leave spaces here because we're writing a compound word, okay? B-ox. Lunchbox. Look at that. You guys are smart. Look at that huge word you wrote. And what kind of a sentence is this again? That's right. It's a question. So we're going to put a question mark. You guys are incredible. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Oh, we should read this real quick. Did you bring your lunchbox? Sorry. Now have a wonderful day. Bye, friends.